What's going on, family? Welcome to Discover Flavor, and today we're gonna be making a quick baked beans southern style. All right, so growing up, this is how we used to eat it. This is how grandma and mama used to make it, so I'm gonna show y'all how we do. But before we do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ensure that you hit the bell and select all so you receive notifications each and every time we post. Now let's get into it. Now we got a medium-sized onion. We're gonna go ahead and clean up here. Let's go ahead and get the skin off that, and we're gonna dice this onion up. So we're gonna half the onion. And let's give it a rough dice. Now let's go ahead and throw those in a bowl real quick. Let's go ahead and prep these green peppers. And we're gonna go ahead and dice these green peppers as well. Let's go ahead and add those to the bowl. And we're gonna go ahead and add our meat that we defrosted. I like to buy my meat in bulk and put it in packs of a pound to a pound and a half, since it's just 3 in the household. All right, y'all can do the same thing, man. Especially during this pandemic that's going on, you know, make sure that you have enough meat and space within your freezers. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and brown that. And we're gonna go ahead and now drain the juice. All right, this is 80-20, so it has a lot of fat in it. All right, so let's give that a nice drain in the sink. And we're gonna let that continue to drain as we get our Bertolli's olive oil. And let's add about 1.5 tablespoons. Now let's grab our onions and green peppers, and we're gonna go ahead and sweat those off. Now as these sweat down, I like to add a little salt and pepper. I like to season my veggies. So we're gonna add just a little bit of salt. Kosher salt. We're gonna freshly crack some black pepper down in there. We're gonna go ahead and let that cook down. Now let's add our hamburger meat back in. Go ahead and just put a little pinch of salt. Let's get our onion powder. We're gonna hit it with some of this garlic powder here. A little bit more pepper. Let's go ahead and give that a good mix. And we're gonna go ahead and open our vegetarian Bush's baked beans. All right, I like this brand. There's no pork, any of that stuff in there. Vegetarian. So we're gonna go ahead and add 2 big cans of this. All right, we're gonna add 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Let's get that mixed up in there. So what you got here is sweet and savory. That's how I love it. Okay, so let's get that incorporated. Now we're gonna add about 4 tablespoons of maple syrup. Anybody that eat baked beans know what this is about. Let's go ahead and give that a good mix. Let's go ahead and give that a try. Let's see what we're working with. Oh yeah, that's what it is. Now we're gonna let that simmer down for a little bit. Let everything heat back up. Let those flavors meld together. Now let's remove it from the heat. We're gonna go ahead and plate this thing. So we got our big serving dish. Let's go ahead and put it right into it. Now you're gonna have some leftovers, you know, I know we did. May have leftovers, but there you have it, family. I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell for notifications. I'll come over, give it a try. All right, let's catch y'all next time. Peace.